Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you a quick way of getting honey fast. Well, number one is that you can join the group before you play and then go there, and then the first time you use it you get 500 honey. And then once you and then if you're lucky enough you should get a festive bee should give you a festive present, and it will give you the treats and all that stuff, and then and the festive blessing is like for the. Sorry guys, I don't really like talking so much today. I don't know why, but why am I so laggy? This is a new account. And also, by the way, this account name is called Felipe Machine 2000. Okay. Okay, Windy Bee, perfect. If you're also lucky, you can also get Windy Bee. Oh, he's a level 6. I'm going to let everybody kill him. I don't want to die. I know want die. Okay. Hi, Wendy! Can we be friends? Ow! Mean. Oh, hi, Mother Bear. Man, if I was in my account, this would be so much quicker. Jesus. I'm dying. Help! 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 I'm gonna die! Why? 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 Please sing me. Me. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. Now I'm already in the thousands. See how quick it is? And also, festive frogs. That should work. Yeah, it does. Okay. But I can't unlock those on. Bummer. Okay, first I need ornaments. Oh my gosh. Okay. 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 Okay, I'm still healing from Wendy B. Okay. Okay. Black Bear's ornament. Yay! Okay. 500 white Pauline. What? Pauline? Giant. Okay, I need some bees quick. Okay. Hold on. Alex, I'm recording! Okay, let's go here. 1,000. Okay, 2 bees. Here we go. Okay, let's see if I can, I'm going to try to make it L. Hatch basic bee? Basic bee. Yay. Just like normal. Okay, feed you my trait. He's level 2. Yay. 4. Level 3, just like my bugglebee. Ha! Okay. Okay, now we really need to start getting now we really need to start working on our ornaments. Because I think ornaments the harder they are, the more honey it gives you. And also I completed Riley B's ornament today, and it gave me 250 million honey. Man, I'm proud of myself. Okay. Give me some white Pauline. I want white Pauline. I want white Pauline. I want white Pauline. Okay. Dandelion. Okay, that's a lot for my bag. Ah. The worm up. When the bee, please don't. Okay, basically, please don't sleep, or else I'll be by myself. Please don't sleep. You're my best friend. Hey, look, another noob. My best noob friend. Okay, we're not actually friends. And also, as you can see, wait, I think I already mentioned this, but I'm just mentioning it again if I mentioned it already. My name is Felipe Machine 2000, but the 3 zeros are actually O's. Okay, once we get to bamboo, then we can get the get what's his name again? What's his name again? I forgot. Oh, we can do the bamboo stuff. Stuff. I meant stuff. Big stuff. Okay, do that. Converter kind. I already know that. Okay, I need a new thing. I need a new thing. Okay, go here. Mushroom. Mushroom! Okay, ornament. Ornament. Die! Oh, level 1! He's so strong! Owie. No, I'm new and it gave me a. Ow! A few dice already? Don't I get that once I'm like more pro-ish? Jesus. Yes, more of these. Yeah. Well, I can jump high, I think. Am I jumping high? Wow, I'm jumping high. I don't know why. I need honey. Honey. Honey, 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 honey. I just need honey tokens. I want honey tokens, please. Is this honey? Honey tokens. I need honey tokens. Why? I just want honey tokens, please. Please pop up, leaves. I need you, leaves. You're my best friends. Leaves. Okay, quick, wait, quack, 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 quack. Oh, wait, my. No honey tokens. Scam bot. Why scam bot? You just enter the server and say, I think I can't get Robux using GameBlocks.gg on your browser to generate tons of Robux instantly. And then he just leaves. Scam. Do not believe in them. That's why they make them. Who made scam bots? Who made them? Because whoever they is in big 3 years later, big trouble. Big trouble. Bumblebee. Okay, a bit more shiny, and I'm going for my third baby. Okay. One royal jelly equals 45 Robux equals one royal jelly. Jesus, a bear lasers. Is that fair at all? No. Magic beans 30 Robux. Not fair at all. Okay, Honeybot. I have no Robux. Okay, Star Egg. Diamond Egg. Gold Egg. Silver Egg. I need highly tokens. I need it. What if I just defeat more mobs? They'll give me honey tokens. Yeah, that makes so much sense. Okay, up to Clover. Oh no. Royal Jelly, come to me. I need you. Please. Okay, he hates me. I don't like to climb the ladders, so I just use these rocks. But on this one, in my main account, I can just jump over, but I'm on an alt account, so no. Another scam bot. Jesus, about lasers. Come on, try and kill me. I've got 2 bees with me. That's more powerful than you. Wait, both of my bees are sleeping? What? No fair. How's that fair? No fair. Wait, I know code. System cog. Yay! 5 tickets? That's not fair. No one's ever fair. Well. Okay, bring it on. For real. Oh my god, ladybug! How can a ladybug kill me? Please, stop! Yes, black bear, ornament, done! Yay! Oof. Why? I really want a hasty bee. Okay, you know what? I don't want this video. Just ending. Okay, you know what? Bye.